Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change opacity in CapCut video editor. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the CapCut app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, create a new project or open an existing one. Once the project opens, let's play the video to have a preview. Now, to change the video opacity in CapCut, first select the video on the track and then from the bottom menu bar, swipe to the left to find the opacity option. Once you find, tap to open it and then adjust the opacity value by sliding the line according to your need. Once it's set, tap on the check mark to apply. Now let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can change opacity in CapCut video editor. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.